Let me guess. You spend hours making beautiful notes. But when it's time to revise, you avoid them like homework. Why? Because you didn't make notes. You made a second textbook. That's not what notes are for. Good notes reduce information. They don't rewrite the entire chapter. Now imagine fitting a whole chapter onto just one page. One page. Easy to revise, easy to remember. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today I'll show you my 4-step one-page note method, why it works. One chapter to one page. Faster revision. Less reading, more remembering. Let's start.